Wheat is where every chapati journey begins. Wheat is where every chapati journey begins. Precision harvesting secures uniform grain for chapati. Precision harvesting secures uniform grain for chapati. Fresh wheat moves immediately toward processing. Fresh wheat moves immediately toward processing. Quality control begins before the factory. Quality control begins before the factory. Volume and timing are tightly managed. Volume and timing are tightly managed. Every kernel is accounted for. Every kernel is accounted for. Short-term storage preserves freshness. Short-term storage preserves freshness. Moisture defines flour performance.
Moisture defines flour performance.
Consistency starts at origin.
Consistency starts at origin. The supply chain locks into motion. The supply chain locks into motion. Speed meets control at scale. Speed meets control at scale. Traceability protects every chapati. Traceability protects every chapati. The journey continues beyond the farm. The journey continues beyond the farm.
Distance compresses through logistics.
Distance compresses through logistics. Measurement ensures accuracy.
Measurement ensures accuracy.
Responsibility rides with every load. Responsibility rides with every load. Processing awaits at scale. Processing awaits at scale. Raw wheat is ready to become chapati. Raw wheat is ready to become chapati. Arrival marks the handover from field to factory. Every route inside is designed for flow.
Weight confirms yield and efficiency.
Integrity is verified before unloading.
Timing keeps the factory synchronized. Precision prevents loss.
Takes over. Gravity takes over.
The factory receives its lifeline. Movement never stops. Elevation feeds capacity.
Storage stabilizes production rhythm.
Cleanliness is engineered. Data guides every decision. One cycle completes, another begins.
Logistics fuel the machine.
Processing is about to begin. Raw material crosses the threshold. The Chapati factory comes alive. Scale defines modern chapati production. Flow is uninterrupted by design.
Human precision supports machine speed.
Clean entry protects every chapati.
Standards are enforced at the door.
This is where volume is born.
Wheat transforms through controlled force.
Entry defines consistency.
Safety begins invisibly. Purity improves performance.
Texture is engineered here.
Uniformity is non-negotiable. Readiness defines output.
Oversight sustains momentum.
Transformation is imminent.
Ingredients converge at speed.
Precision sets the foundation.
Dưới đây là Phase 4, mỗi prompt gói gọn trong một dòng, giữ đầy đủ.
Clean flow protects quality.
Only uniform flour moves forward.
Smoothness is engineered.
Air refines what screens cannot. Redundancy ensures safety.
Continuous verification matters.
Preparation nears completion.
Balance defines dough behavior.
Clean machines protect flavor.
Human eyes still matter. Quantity meets control.
Hydration activates transformation.
Structure takes shape.
Data protects texture.
Fine control creates softness.
The line advances.
Momentum is maintained. Chapati processing enters its core. Pressure begins shaping identity.
Thickness is precisely controlled.
Consistency is constantly measured.
Softness starts with balance.
Flexibility is protected.
Temperature sets behavior.
Time refines texture. Shape defines tradition. Millions take form daily. Nothing is wasted. Order supports speed. Automation amplifies accuracy. Heat prepares transformation. Moisture defines puffing. Fire awaits its role. Baking begins at scale. Chemistry becomes craft. The heart of chapati production beats here.
Heat unlocks structure.
Balance defines softness. Visual cues confirm readiness.
Expansion completes its cycle.
Transformation becomes tangible.
Cooling locks texture.
Form is preserved. Consistency is measured instantly. Standards remain uncompromised.
Softness is calibrated.
Flexibility ensures shelf life. Stability prepares handling.
Order supports speed. Uniform stacks move faster.
The line never pauses. Human judgment still counts. Speed is harmonized. Automation now takes over.
Automation sustains massive volume.
Precision prevents waste. Flow must never break. Eyes guide machines. Every gram matters. Gentle force preserves softness. Quality filters itself. Flexibility keeps pace. Handling remains hands-free.
Alignment avoids jams.
Packaging preparation begins. Protection starts with material. Speed meets sealing. Closure secures freshness. Trust is tested instantly. Traceability travels with product.
Numbers define scale.
The process nears completion.
Final precision begins here.
Order supports accuracy.
Identity is applied.
Branding is checked. Assurance is confirmed. Safety remains paramount. Nothing escapes inspection. Clean presentation matters.
Organization accelerates dispatch.
Packaging takes shape. Speed meets care. Completeness is ensured.
Closure protects volume.
Logistics information is locked. Accuracy prevents delay. Volume gathers momentum. Final handling begins. Verification completes the journey.
Quality is verified independently.
Sampling ensures representation.
Freshness starts at the seal. Accuracy confirms trust.
Appearance reflects process control. Softness defines quality.
Moisture preserves shelf life.
Uniform puff matters.
Human senses complete data.
Records ensure accountability. Safety goes beyond sight.
Clean production is confirmed. Time is tested artificially. Approval releases volume.
Verified products move on.
Control isolates risk.
Oversight closes the loop.
The final stage begins.
Volume transitions into logistics.
Preparation enables speed.
Precision builds stability. Stability protects transit.
Protection seals the load. Identity follows shipment.
Human and machine move together. Storage preserves readiness. Digital records guide distribution. Demand triggers movement. Fulfillment accelerates.
Dispatch is imminent.
Distribution connects markets. Millions move outward. Safety travels with cargo.
And this is how modern factories produce chapati from start to finish.
The journey continues beyond the factory.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.